Got you clutching them pearls, 'cause you know who run the
Meron akong cherry clip dapat suot ngayon, kaso hindi ko makita. Ito na! They're finally back. We are finally going to watch BINI's newest comeback, Cherry on Top. Tagal-tagal na nating hinintay ito, so eto na siya! Very excited ako para makita uli yung mga visuals nila and yung production din. Kasi talagang nag-i-improve sila every time they come back eh. Yung maganda kasi sa BINI, talaga palaging slay yung mga outfits, walang naiiwanan yung visuals, yung makeup, yung aesthetic, everything. Unlike the K-pop industry, something I really love about BINI nga, their outfits, like walang napag-iiwanan. Pati yung mga line distribution nila, it's very well distributed, you know? Yung makikita mo talagang binigay yung bawat part sa strengths ng girls. And it's something na syempre na-appreciate ko as a fan. Kasi gusto ko lahat sila may tamang moment na mag-shine. I'm super looking forward to this music video. Especially because, di ba, all English siya. So yung reaction ko na to, disclaimer lang, purely sa MV siya. Kasi yung song, syempre, wala po tayong pasensya. Napakinggan na po natin siya sa concert sa TikTok. Pero I tried my best not to watch it as much. Naman fresh pa yung dating sa akin ng song, ngayong release date niya. Short thoughts on the song is of course, they did it again, and I love that after gaining the attention of us Filipinos, this is a nice way for them go to the global market and really have their presence be known. World domination nga, P-pop rise. And to give context, guys, on my relationship with BINI, I started standing them back in 2020. And then, I became an official Bloom nung 2021, nung nag-debut na talaga sila. Pero bago yung debut, talagang inuumpisahan ko sila na suportahan talaga. Kasi isa sa mga nagtulak sa akin, bukod sa na-amaze ako sa kanila, sa performance nila na nakita ko, yung sa The Coconut. Ano kasi ko, very patriotic. So I was like, sino susupport sa kanila kung hindi tayo din mga Pilipino, di ba? Kasi they have the talent, they have the potential. They could really carry our country to the top when it comes to performances. Kaya, syempre yung pandemic ko, yung tanging nagpapasaya sa akin, nun sila yon. Like, yung mga Kumu lives nila, yun yung nilook forward ko every day. Kung siguro wala sila, siguro nabaliw na ako nun. Tapos yung bias ko pa nun, first bias ko, si Sheena talaga. Very special place in my heart. Yung bias record ko naman is si BINI Mika. Dahil dun sa video na to. Kasi I was like, ang gwapa! Tanda ko yung video na yun because that video lives rent-free on my mind. My eyes were always on Mika Lim. Ngayon yung bias record ko kung sino lang yung dumaan sa FYP ko. Hindi ako mapili. Pero ayun, top ko si Sheena kasi I'm a very loyal person. Kaming beses na hatak na ako actually sa iba pero kasi I always choose Sheena. Mika naman, siya yung top 1 ko na bias record. Pero actually, wala na silang ranking sa bias record eh. Kasi kung sino lang talaga dumaan sa FYP ko, kung sinong edit yung mapanood ko, kung sinong score ang makita ko yung dumaan sa feed ko, yun talaga yung maging bias record ko. Kasi I love them all so much equally and so much. So, bakit po ba ako dalanan na? Gusto ko na mapanood. But anyway, ito na. Medyo short siya, yeah. Pero, syempre, wala naman sa length yung amazingness nila. So, let's go. Ay, ba't ko na-excite ako? Kalma. Nonchalant. Wait lang! Kinilgigan! Continuation siya ng Salamin, di ba? Actually, mula karera ata? Or ano? Strings. Mula strings or feel good. Mula feel good, konektado talaga lahat ng MVs sila. Which is, like, props sa nagko-conceptualize. Ito na. Huwag tayong okay. Oh, yung mga foreigner!
My presence is a present. Talking French, I keep you guessing.
But parang hindi ko siya narinig nung concert. Or hindi ko lang talaga maalala yung nangyari ng concert. Pero parang iba yung narinig ko ng concert. But parang iba yung dating, iba yung atake kapag may production na, no? Wala pang nangyayari. Pero I like na my presence is a present. Tapos parang bow na ina-emphasize. Parang regalo talaga sa Stacy. Stacy is a gift to us all.
Know you got a little.
Sorry, post ng post. Hindi na lang move on. Talaga, si Stacy talaga yung best starter, eh, no? Tapos bigla tayong aatakihin ni Colette. Wait! Okay.
Candy Crush. Be careful 'cause you never get enough. Every day, celebrate you with me. Every day, it's your birthday, I'll repeat, yeah.
Nakita niyo ba yun? Yung pagkain niya ng cherry? We're fine. Ang ganda ng top ni Aya. Parang siyang Winx. It's giving Winx Club. Oh my gosh, happy birthday. So, you hear those backing vocals? Yung pagsigaw na ng cherry on top, grabe. Iba pa rin yung dating, iba yung dating nung live, iba yung dating nung recorded. Actually, ibang dating ng lahat. Lahat ng version, gusto ko. They all bring something new to the table.
Hi, Editing Christian here, and gusto ko lang sabihin na sobrang bet ko yung boses ni Gwen dito. Like, it's giving yung boses niya sa Lagi kasi feeling ko kasi personally nung first year ko ng Lagi yung kay Gwen yung may pinaka-swak na voice, yung sa part niya yung pinakamaganda, and medyo ganung vibes din yung dito. So, yun lang, Gwenny appreciation because she deserves it.
You can deny, no, you can deny. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. I'm a sack for sorry eyes. I'm looking you paralyzed, dancing in the disco lights. I could do this all my life. Cinnamon swirl, I twirl. Not your average girl. Got you clutching them pearls. 'Cause you know who run the world.
Ulitin natin. Though, masasabi ko itong person ni Gwen na to, it's giving feel good. Like, yung mga ulap-ulap. Tapos Maloy looks really good in red din, no? Kahit yellow yung official color niya. She really made red also her statement. Parang sila ni Mika!
Sack for sorry eyes. I'm looking you paralyzed, dancing in the disco lights. I could do this all my life. Cinnamon swirl, I twirl. Not your average girl. Got you clutching them pearls. 'Cause you know who run the world. Every day, celebrate you with me.
You with me, yeah!
It's your birthday, I'll repeat, Sugar online. If you want the spice, you turn the heat.
Ganda din ang top ni Jo.
In the game, better know what you got.
Parcel ba si Jo? Grabe, ba't hindi ganito yung parcel na dumarating sa akin? Ba't para... Saan po makaka-order? Send link na lang. Ay, nako. Ang cute ni Lola.
Cherry on top.
Cute na earrings. Earrings din is a cherry.
In the game, better know what you got. I'm the cherry on top.
Smooth.
Cherry on top. Good ingredients are
Oh my gosh!
H-E-R-R-Y. There's no going back, no, once you try.
Ang ganda ng part na yan. That part scratches a part in my brain. And now my life is complete. Soft voices ni Aya, talaga, it hits different. And then, ang cute din ng scene na to. Kasi para silang yung mga tambay sa kanto. Pero hindi naman yung mga tambay talaga. Like, alam mo yun, kumakain sila banana cakes, giving very Filipino. And I love that. I love that for them. I love that for us. I love that for us as citizens of this nation. Of this nation's girl group. Tapos si Aya pa yung nagpipaint. Tapos very, pa si Aya, very artistic din siya, very creative. Hindi ako magugulat kung like tumulong talaga din siya sa sa pag-paint ng walls na to. Tapos, ang cute lang vibe. Yung bebe! Ang bebe! Tinginan, ang cute ng tingin ni Sheena nun. So, yung atmosphere dun sa part na to, yung para silang nag-work behind the scenes, ginawa din nila yung sa salawin-salawin. So, like, kaya to part ng performance task nilang video doon. Tapos yun, pinag-arts naman sila ng teacher nila, ganon. Grabe, kadami yung pinapagawa sa Bini, pero kayang-kaya nilang islay.
Honey, on repeat, got you buzzing around me. Sticky, sticky, sweet, frosty as it can be. H-E-R-R-Y. Good ingredients are hard to find.
Yay! That was so nice! I don't know what to say. This just makes me so happy. The vibes are there, you know. I'm so thankful that we're gonna have this for the rest of our lives. Love na love ko din yung incorporate uli nila yung sign language. It's very thoughtful of them. Like, C-H-E-R-R-Y. Good ingredients. Oh, super saya ko lang. Hala, gusto kong ulitin. Isa pa. Sabi ko parang familiar yung mga nangyayari eh. Tapos naisip ko, oh, the buildings are giving Me by Taylor Swift. Collab when? Oh, mamaya biglang na si dito, si Maring Batumbakal Taylor Swift. Also, ang cutie din ng typography nila as a pubmat girly. Paano kaya sila nag-shoot sa taas ng cake, di ba? May mga cherry sa paligid nila, pero syempre wala on top. Kasi ang tunay na cherry on top ay ang beanie. Beauty nagmano dun sa Foreigner. Amazing. The culture. Ganda na boses sa Stacy! Ikaw, tingnan natin nga details. Para
My presence is a present.
mga nakasulat.
Talking French, I keep you guessing.
Cherry Downs Bakery. Okay. Conquering the universe as one. Aww. Walong dulo. Strange fever going on in Cherry Town. Okay. Okay, ang ganda ni Aya, may gulay. Nagdilig lang siya, di mo na ako ganyan pag nagdidilig.
Every day, it's your birthday.
The halo-halo. You know, I really love the Filipino references. Like, pag pinanood mo yung MV, it's giving global production. Pero, yung mga culture natin, ay, may halo-halo. Oh, cherry na pala, halo-halo. Matry nga yun minsan. Ewan ko, yung mga little Filipino stuff, it's giving, representation. And hindi siya super on the nose. Kasi, mafe-feel mo na yung MV parang international eh. Ang ganda lang. I love it. I love it so much. That's also one of the reasons why I really stand Beanie talaga. Yung makeup ni Jo, naka-Ju eh. Kalma close. It's very more on the cheeks, no? No, and she's pulling it off. Yung eye makeup niya hindi masyadong, pero like, oh my gosh, girl, you're still slaying. How do you do that? Okay, mamaya na lahat. Hindi ko na papanoorin uli yung rap part kasi baka himatayin na ako dito. I don't know if this is their comeback? Is it a pre-release? Magkakabagong album ba uli sila? What's the tea? Like, ano sa tingin niyo yung meron pang surprises? It's a busy na ya, pero very always there. Super excited for all the next comebacks that they would have for a next album, kahit di pa ako nakakumupon sa Tala-Arawan. I'm like, just keep on coming. Like, rest girls, but keep them coming. So, ito na yung bago nating birthday anthem, tamang-tama. Those are my thoughts at the top of my head talaga na maisip ko from what I've witnessed. Mas masisink in ko pa siya the more that I watch it. Kasi yun lang na may gagawin ko ngayong gabi. Papanood ko na pa ulit-ulit, tapos i-overthink ang lahat. This channel isn't like supposed to be a reaction channel. It's just gonna be about like the things that I do in my life, and a part of my life, a huge part of it, is Beanie, which is why we've done it here. Let me know if any of you, my co-blooms or co-humans, are interested for us to do like a little analysis on the lyrics of Beanie songs, because that's something that I really want to do as an English girly, as a literature girly, as a Swiftie, I like to overthink stuff. Witchcraft nga ba ang salamin-salamin? Hindi nga. Pero like, nung a-analyze natin yung meaning talaga ng bawat lyrics and yung pagkakakompose nila, lalo na yung mga rap part, kasi malaking contributions ng girls sa mga rap part nila eh. Raps nila sila yung sumusulat. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below if interested nga kayo na mag-analyze tayo ng Beanie songs together. If you guys have any suggestions sa kung ano yung pwede natin gawin sa channel nito, please let me know. If you want me to react to other Beanie stuff, I am very much open to do that. Thank you so Yun, pero bago matapos, muna kayo. Okay, so yun lang. Bye-bye. And remember that life is divided in books, not chapters.